Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well today. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite features on the Garmin Instinct watch, and that is viewing the moon phase. So I had a question from one of my viewers saying, how can I get the moon phase displayed on my watch? And it's a good question because it can be a little bit tricky for a couple different reasons. So the first thing, let me mention, I'm using the Garmin Instinct Solar. It doesn't matter which version Garmin Instinct, whether it's solar or not, or tactical or not, the moon phase is available on all of them, so this video should help you out. The other thing is I'm using the watch as delivered from Garmin. I haven't made any adjustments to any of the hotkeys. So I did a video before where I walk you through how you can change your watch face and choose your data marks on your watch face. First thing with the moon phase you need to know is that it's not available on every watch face. So for example, this one, I'm not going to go through all the settings of how to do a watch face. We're just going to go in and we're going to try and add the moon phase to our watch face. Normally you would press and hold the menu button. You would choose watch face by pressing GPS. When you're on the screen you like, you press GPS again so you can customize it. Select customize. The moon phase always has to be in this data mart right here. You can't put the moon over here or down at the bottom or anything like that. It's always going to be here if it's an option. But you'll notice in this watch face, which is really designed more for looking at historical trends, as we start scrolling through the available options that we can choose, you're not going to see moon phase there. And the reason is that it's not available for this watch face. So that's the first thing that can be tricky as far as adding the moon phase to your watch displays. It's not going to be available on every screen. So I'm going to get out of this. I'm not going to save my changes. And we've got to go find a watch face that we can actually put the moon phase on. So I'm going to choose, I won't choose that one because it's already there. So I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to customize it just like we did before. Again, it's going to have to be in this field. So let's use the ABC or menu button to go through and see what's available. And as you're scrolling through, you're going to be looking for an icon that looks like the moon. If you've got the solar watch, this is your solar intensity. It can be a little tricky because to me it looks like a moon. This one that displays the basically the AM/PM indicator is tricky too because it can kind of resemble a moon. But this is the one that you're looking for. Now the reason this one can be tricky is depending on the time of month, you might have no moon available, so it might just look like a black circle there and you have no idea what it is. In my case, it's kind of like that right now where there's barely any moon that's displayed right now, but this is the icon that you're looking for if you want to set the moon phase here. Once you've got it on that, press GPS a couple of times and you've successfully added the moon phase to your watch face. That's how you add it to your watch face. But the only thing you can really see when you've got it on your watch face is you can see what the current moon looks like. The next thing you need to do if you're really interested in the moon data is you need to add it as an available widget on your watch. Now I've done a video to show you how to add widgets. To get to your widgets, you're just going to press the menu or ABC button to go up or down. And you'll want to make sure you've got the moon phase set as a widget because just like with any other widget, you can get more data from it than you can from your watch face. Now we're in the moon widget, and what it shows you is the current date, what the moon looks like, the moon rise time, the moon set time, and that it's a waxing crescent moon, which I think is pretty cool. The other thing is when you're in this widget, if you press the GPS button, you can change the date by using the ABC or menu button to go backwards or forwards. So if I want to see what's the moon going to look like on Christmas Day, I can go here and I can see it. The moon's going to look like that. Moonrise is going to be at 2:30 p.m. Moon set's going to be at 3:12 a.m. And then there's the status of the moon. So I think that's kind of a cool feature to be able to change the dates and see what's the moon going to look like, especially if you're a hunter or something like that and you want to know, hey, I'm going to be hunting in 2 weeks. What's the moon going to be like? I think it's a pretty neat feature. As always, when you're done with it, press the back button twice to get back to your main screen, and now you're back on your time display. So I hope that helps. That's a quick walkthrough of how to add the moon phase to your watch face, as well as how to view the moon data using the moon widget. As always, if you've got any questions, please post them. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.